Hey everybody, it's Gabe95 and I'm going to show you how to make the best paper airplane in the world. I'd like to thank my friend Hector Navarro at school. He showed me how to make this. You have to fold it like that first. You open it again. And you do it the same with the other side. Now here's the hard part. Okay, see, you open it again. Then you have to push it in from the two folds and push it down. So it looks like this. See? Okay, and then you get the two corners right here. And you pull it down like that. And you do it the same with the other side. So you have it like that. You might want to do this to flatten it out. Then you pull it up like that. See? It's like that, and you pull it up on both sides. And then here's that part. See, it's folded like that, and then you fold it over. And you do the same with the other side. Okay. Now here's the hardest part of the whole thing. You have to get it, and see, you have to get it like that, and push it in, so that it looks like a horn, or like it's so it's pointy. Just do it until it's pointy. Hold on, this is the hardest part for me, so looks like it's the hardest part for you, unless you're really good at origami. See, so then you have it like that. See, it was like that, and then you push it in like that. Okay, now you turn it around like this. See, it's on its back. Then you pull it all the way from where the horns are. See, like this. Then you pull it back, so only the horns are sticking out. Then you fold it in like that, with the horns sticking out at the bottom, like that. Okay, then you crease it. Then you flip it back to this side, open it up like that, and close it. Okay, here, this part you can either tear it, but I'd rather use scissors, so you have to fold it halfway and then cut it like this. Sorry. See, so it's like that. You have a strip extra, and then move that to the side, and get this and fold it in half. See, so you have it like this. Then you get about a quarter of an inch of the paper like that, and fold it in and crease it again. See, so it has extra. Now, here again, you can either tear it or cut it, but like right about here, you cut it, and then see how it's like that? You get the tail, and then crease it like that. Then open it up again. Okay, now pick this back up and bring it back. See, it'll be like this, and then see this little crease right here? You get the tail, you get this creased tail, and slide it in as far as you can. See, so you have it like that. Then you fold it from where, right here, where the point is, right here. You fold it from there straight. So you have it like that. And you do the same with the other side. So here it comes together. Then you get the wing right here. Get the wing and fold it about half of an inch on each wing. Then you open it up and voila. The best paper airplane in the whole world. It flies pretty good. So that's pretty much it. And if it doesn't work, then just keep pausing the steps and work along. Please subscribe, please comment, and please rate. And man, the paper airplane is so cool. And see you next time. This is Gabe95. Bye.